Ever realize you have a superpower that's absolutely useless? Same here. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Elizabeth. I make and sell custom and unique resin jewelry on my website, calicounicorn.com. So, what's your useless talent? I'll go first. I can find a 4-leaf clover like it's my business, but it's not because people don't actually pay you to pick 4-leaf clovers, apparently.
Oh!
These 4-leaf clovers I'm zhuzhing up came from a day where I counted nearly 100 that I found in my yard. I save them if they're good, before the bugs or the lawnmower get to them. But since I find them all the time, there isn't a book in my house that isn't filled with 4-leaf clovers, albeit faded 4-leaf clovers.
Oh my god.
So I got smart with these and I pressed them using my flower press. Using a flower press to press flowers and other botanicals will preserve the color much better. In fact, these are a bit more pigmented than when I put them in, I believe. I'll be posting a video on preserving and pressing flowers and other botanicals coming up if you're interested.
Yes!
Well, these were found in my main yard. Nothing special about that.
What?
I do love finding things in nature and then finding a way to use them in jewelry like this. Sorry, Mother Nature. Usually I'll take nature's beauty as is, but this time I wanted to add a little sparkle to really highlight its uniqueness. And sorry, Sophia, if you're watching this. I feel like I'm cheating on you using these bezels that I had in my stash.
Sorry.
I'm using a bonding resin here and reinforcing it on the back here, as you can see. I felt like it needed even more zhuzhing, so I added some crushed metallic glass here to the front, and then I was really happy with them. So tell me in the comments, what's your useless superpower or talent? And should you capitalize on it?